Oh yes now. So from the template that I showed you on the sliding door, I've made my first panel, my top panel. So obviously I think it's going to need a bit of trimming here and there, but it's very close, and that's what making a template does. So, another tip. So when you're cutting plyboard or all like that with jigsaw, get a metal blade, not a wood blade, because it makes your edges, it finishes your edges better. Because a wood blade just cuts all the wood to shreds, where a metal blade, it's like an hacksaw, so it's very fine cutting, so it looks better. Anyway, I'll turn you around and show you what I mean. So yes, no. So that's my panel I've made off the template. As you can see, it's not far off fitting where I want it to fit. Sorry about the lighting, but it's getting dark nowadays, and so yeah, I've just got to basically make a window frame for inside this one like I did the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out. So yeah, it don't look too bad. Bit of trimming here and there, I think. And then obviously I'm gonna put boards on it like that one. Some tongue and groove on it. On that one. So yeah, it'll look pretty good when I've done it. I don't know if I need to make that window all a bit bigger down that side yet, I don't know. But we'll see. So here I'm just showing you me painting the sliding door panels and the window frame. That's the top panel, and that's the bottom panel for the sliding door. So yes, now big up jungle is massive. So now we're stripping out. So I left this old floor in so that while I was doing what I was doing, I wasn't standing all over my new floor. So we've ripped, because it's now all fittable.
Would this floor come out now?
And then we're going to take this floor out. Hello.
Hello.
And then we're going to take the floor out. We're going to give it a wash, and we're going to sort the moulds out in back. So yeah, big up jungle is massive. Big up. So we've got floor out. Come out easier than I thought, actually, to be fair.
Are you kidding?
But it's filthy. So we need to wash it and sort the moulds out. I think what I'm going to do is, we've got a panel from where I took them windows out. I've got a little bender in the shed. What I'm going to do is bend them, and then we're going to bond them on with some Sikaflex or something like that. You know what I mean, bruv?
In it?
In it, bro.
I've got chocolate on my face.
No. So yeah, we're going to turn it round in a minute, and we're going to sweep it all out and then give it a jet wash. Jet wash it all out, and then we'll sort them holes out. Big up. Jungle is massive. Looks like it's midnight, doesn't it? So we got all back out, we got all floor out. What I'm trying to do is cover up these holes in the floor. I'll spin you around and show you what I'm doing. So this is a bit of metal from where that window was. So I've bent it. There's one hole, look. I've obviously cleaned them up and painted them with anti-rust paint, and then I've made that. So I'm probably just going to do that with big uns. There's a couple of big uns there, a big one there, and the rest of them I'm going to put grommets in and Sikaflex them. I'm going to Sikaflex that down, go right round all with Sikaflex, and then on back of that and stick it down, see what happens. And then from underneath then what I'm going to do is spray it with some underseal to make sure we don't get no rusting. Big up. So yes, that's the major big ones done. Anyway, there's some little ones that I've got to put grommets in and some Sikaflex. Yeah, it looks a bit patchy, a bit rough, but you're not going to see it on the floor anyway, so I'll spin you around and show you what I've done. So basically I've just cut some red pieces and bent them to the floor and stuck them in with Sikaflex off it where the window used to be. There's a big one there, that's a lot bigger than the actual holes really, but I wanted to cover it right up. So yeah, the other ones are just small little ones that I'm gonna either put a grommet in or fill up with Sikaflex. They can be filled with Sikaflex. So yeah, that's the floor nearly ready for me to start cutting the new floor. And then once I've done the new floor, I'm going to start running my electrics to the boot bit and carpet and where they've put this grey paint, I'll carpet all that. Obviously I've got to insulate it first and what have you. That's next job. So I'll see you in a bit. Dog shit.